Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about simple JavaScript program. Here is an example of a simple JavaScript program that displays a message on a web page. This program uses JavaScript to display the message hello.js on the web page. Here is a breakdown of what's happening in the code. The first line is a doc type declaration which specifies the type of document being used. In this case, it's an HTML5 document. The next lines create the basic structure of an HTML document with an opening HTML tag and closing HTML tag. Within the HTML tags, there is a body tag that contains the content of the web page. Inside the body tag, there's an h1 tag that displays my web page as a heading on the page. Then there is a paragraph tag with an ID demo. This element will be used to display the message hello.js. Inside the script tag, the code document.getElement by ID demo dot inner HTML equals hello.js is used to select the element with the ID demo and change its inner HTML to hello.js. Finally, when the web page is loaded by a browser, the JavaScript code will be executed and the message hello.js will be displayed on the web page. This is a very basic example, but it demonstrates how JavaScript can be used to add dynamic functionality to a web page. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.